Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we're going to unbox the Plextone G800 gaming headphones. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box, let's unbox it. So I would like to thank Plextone for sending this product so that I can make a review video about it. So if you're interested in buying these headphones, I will put the link in the video description. Also I will put a discount voucher as well, so you can use that voucher and get some money off when you're going to buy it from their store on drawbacks.pk. Anyways, really good packaging from the seller. So let's just unbox it. Here we go. So really good selling, good packaging from the seller, really nice packed. So I will be making an unboxing video, which is this one, and I will make a full review video about these headphones as well in the next upcoming video, because I can just review a product of its sound quality right away, but I will tell you about its feature and the overall build quality. Let's just cut open this tape as well. Here we go. And from this side as well. Here are the headphones themselves, G800 Mark II. Here, as you can see, here we got the G800 Mark II lightweight gaming headset. The brand name is Plextone. So we got our microphone mute switch. It can automatically install drivers. The weight is 269 grams, which is really lightweight. If you're going to game for a lot of hours, then you're going to feel this, that it's really light as compared to other headphones in the market. On the side we got its design again, and on the back we got some of its specification. So here we got in different languages. If you want to read it, you can do so. I hope that the camera can focus on it, and some of its key specs are here as well. So we got our microphone mute switch, we got metal bracket so you can tell the level of both sides, we got our HD microphone and 50 millimeter pronunciation unit, and we got 3.5 millimeter audio extension cable length, which is around 900 millimeter. So let's open the box. Okay, we got some of these, I think, manuals. Yep, G800 gaming headset. So you're going to have this manual which is in different languages, so it doesn't matter in which country you live, you can read it because it's in many languages. And you got this picture as well for better understanding. Putting that aside, here we have our extension cable as well. So many headphones don't come with an extra extension cable, but this one comes. And guys, this headphone can be connected with your PC, your iPhones, your PS4, Xbox, anything. And here we go. Here we have our extension cable. So here we got two ends. One is to connect to the microphone port of your PC, and the other end is to connect to the headphone port of your PC, and this end will be connected to the other end of your headphone. So they are giving this wire if you want to connect these headphones with your PC. If you want to connect it with your Xbox or PlayStation or your smartphone, you can just easily connect it without having the need of this wire. So here we have the headphones themselves, and other than that the box is empty. So here are the gaming headphones from Plextone. So again, they are really lightweight, which I like a lot. And here we have our headphones from the side, you can see. So they don't have RGB, which I want to tell you right now. So all we got are these design, but this isn't RGB. We got this matte black finish with our high quality microphone, and it's really I would say flexible, which is great that it won't break. And on the inner side we got this orange kind of look, and here we have our scale as well. So if you want to make sure that both ends are like equally adjusted, then you can use this metal scale, which is a good thing. And we got our volume up and down lever, and on the bottom we got our microphone on off switch as well. So if you don't want to make that you accidentally are saying on a microphone, then you can make sure that the switch is on or off using this little switch. And for the wire, we got this braided wire. So let me open it. Here we go. So a decent amount of length for the cable, I would say. So the wire is braided, which is really good, I would say. And if you want to connect with your phone's Xbox, you can directly connect it. But if you want to connect it with your PC, you can connect it to the extension cable that it comes with. And now you can connect these two ends with your PC or laptop. So let me just connect it with my laptop and show you an audio demo. So here I have connected the Plextone G800 with my laptop, and here you can see the sound. Obviously not the best quality of because I'm recording and showing you, but I hope you can get a quality of the loudness of these gaming headphones. So the voice is on max right now, the volume from the PC, and you can see I can reduce it and max it from here as well. So yeah, this is the audio quality of these Plextone G800 gaming headphones. Anyways guys, I will try to make a review video about the complete audio quality of these headphones. Anyways, the overall build quality is great, but there are two problems that I faced while I was using these headphones. The first problem was that when I wore these headphones, obviously the metal strip helped me, the metal scale helped me a lot, so that I know that both are on the same level. But the problem that I faced was that these cushions aren't very soft, like they are hard, and you're going to feel them somewhat, not very much, but they are hard. And the second problem is that I tried to Google the software if this has any, so that I can enable noise cancellation, like I saw on the RAS page of this that they support noise cancellation, but I don't know for sure now whether they support noise cancellation or whether we're going to have any software update in the future. But overall the headphones is good, like they are lightweight and you can wear and play with them for a long period of time. Their volume is great, and overall the build quality of these headphones is good. So if you want to buy them, again the link of this headphones will be in this video description. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.